Instagram users have been reporting a black background on their app for the past few weeks. The issue seems to be with the previous update, and many people are unhappy about it. In this video, I will show you a step-by-step guide on how to fix the black background on Instagram using simple workarounds. So keep watching this video to learn how to get your Instagram back to normal. So first of all, make sure you are using the latest version of the Instagram application. So go ahead and open up your Google Play Store and then tap on the search bar up top and search for Instagram. To the right of Instagram, it will either say Open or Update. If it says Open, that means you are using the latest version of the Instagram application. If it says Update, then you need to update your Instagram application. So in order to fix bugs and glitches that might have been caused by the last update, you need to update it to the latest version because Instagram might have fixed those issues in the latest version. After that, go over to your settings, and then scroll down and tap on Apps. Then tap on the search bar up top and search for Instagram. So now when you are on this screen, tap on Storage and then tap on Clear Data. This will clear out all of the cache and corrupted files that are associated with the app and should hopefully solve your problem. If it didn't fix your issue, then what you can do next is uninstall and reinstall the Instagram app. So to do that, head over to the Google Play Store and then simply tap on Uninstall. After that, download and reinstall Instagram back onto your device, and it will solve your issue. If it didn't fix your issue, then let's move on to the next solution. So open up the settings, and then tap on Display and Brightness. You'll want to turn off the dark mode. After that, open up the Instagram app, and it might work as it normally would if it still shows you a black screen. The fourth and final solution is to sideload the old version of the Instagram app. To do that, first, uninstall the Instagram app that you currently have installed onto your device, and then open up your web browser and type in Instagram Download APK. After that, tap on this first search result up to down com. And then when you are on this site, scroll down a little bit and tap on older versions. Then scroll down and tap on this exact version that was released on May 24th, 2022. After that, simply tap on the screen download button over here, and then it will download that version of the Instagram app onto your device. And then you can simply open it up and install it on your device. And then you can log back into Instagram, and it should hopefully fix your issue. So that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions about this tutorial, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.